The government will not import fuel now as national storage fills up. The Department of Energy is pausing procurement after recent diesel arrivals pushed national reserves to a 54-day supply, close to the roughly 60-day storage limit. The DOE knows there is no new shipment lined up for this week due to the need to balance inventory.
Companies are also buying their own stock. So we are at 54 on average, 54 days on average. So 60 days ang average lang na kaya ng buong Pilipinas. So we have to make sure that ang orderin namin ay merong paglalagyan. So minamanage lang yung consumption sa supply tsaka yung time of delivery when they arrive here.
Naiakyat actually natin yung inventory ng supply ng diesel to above 50 days. So minomonitor din natin to kasi we still need to balance out yung market and that yung purchasing ng government does not crowd out yung private oil companies natin that continue to purchase yung gasoline at diesel.